If you want to fix the colors in Photoshop fast, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do color correction in just one click using 3 super simple built-in options inside Photoshop. These methods are perfect if your image looks too dull, too warm, too cool, too dark, or just needs a quick improvement without spending time on manual adjustments. And the best part is, you don't need any advanced editing skills to follow along. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Photoshop guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your image in Photoshop. You can do this by going to File and then Open, or by dragging your image directly into the workspace. Once your photo is loaded, make sure the layer is selected so Photoshop knows exactly what you want to edit. Now, let's start with the easiest option, which is Auto Color. To use Auto Color, go up to the top menu, click Image, and then select Auto Color. The moment you click it, Photoshop will automatically analyze your image and try to correct the color balance for you. This is a great one-click method when your photo has strange color tones or when the whites and shadows don't look quite right. It can instantly make the image look more natural and balanced. If your image had a color cast, Auto Color can often remove that and bring everything back to a cleaner look. Now let's move on to the second method, Autotone. Again, go to the top menu, click Image, and then choose Autotone. This option focuses more on the overall brightness and tonal balance of the image. It can help improve exposure and make the image look more evenly lit. If your photo feels flat or slightly washed out, Autotone can add a little more life to it with just one click. It's especially useful when you want the image to look clearer without manually adjusting brightness and contrast yourself. Next is Auto Contrast. Once again, go to Image and then click Auto Contrast. This is the quickest way to boost the contrast in your photo and give it more pop. It helps separate the light and the dark areas a little better, which can make the image feel sharper and more defined. If your photo looks faded or low in depth, Auto Contrast is a fast fix that can make a noticeable difference right away. The great thing about these 3 options is that they're all fast, built-in, and beginner-friendly. You can try Auto Color first if the colors look off, Autotone if the exposure needs help, or Auto Contrast if the image just needs more punch. In some cases, one of these tools may be exactly what your photo needs. In other cases, you can undo and test a different one to see which result looks best for your image. Just remember, these are automatic corrections, so the result depends on the photo you're working with. Some images will improve a lot, while others may only need a small adjustment. That's why it's a good idea to try each method and see which one gives you the cleanest and most natural result. The whole process takes only a few seconds, which makes it incredibly useful when you're editing multiple photos or just need a quick fix. So to recap, go to Image and use Auto Color for instant color balance, Autotone to improve overall exposure, and Auto Contrast to boost contrast quickly. With these one-click tools, you can make your photos look much better in just moments. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Photoshop tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.